GRE Overview. Dive into the test sections. Hello learners. Today, we'll be delving deep into the GRE, or the Graduate Record Examination. This test is a significant milestone for many students worldwide, and understanding its sections can be your key to scoring well. In this video, we'll specifically explore the different sections of the GRE and give you a brief overview of what to expect in each. The GRE is a standardized test that helps graduate schools and business schools assess the qualifications of applicants for advanced study. Many programs, especially in the US, use the GRE scores to supplement undergraduate records, recommendation letters, and other qualifications for graduate-level study. The GRE consists of three main sections. 1. Verbal reasoning. This section measures your ability to understand what you read and how you apply your reasoning skills to reading passages. It also tests vocabulary usage and sentence completion skills. 2. Quantitative reasoning. This section is all about math. It evaluates your problem-solving abilities using basic concepts from arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and data analysis. 3. Analytical writing. In this section, you'll have to showcase your critical thinking and analytical writing skills. It's split into two tasks, one that asks you to present an argument and the other that asks you to analyze an issue. 1. Experimental section. The GRE might also include an experimental section that could be either verbal or quantitative. This is for ETS, the company that makes the GRE, to try out new questions. The critical thing to remember is that this section does not count towards your score. 2. Research section. Sometimes, instead of an experimental section, you might get a research section, which also doesn't count towards your score. Both of these additional sections will look just like any other section, so give every section your best shot. The GRE provides separate scores for the verbal and quantitative sections. These scores range from 130 to 170 in 1-point increments. The analytical writing section is scored on a scale from 0 to 6, in half-point increments. And that wraps up our overview of the GRE test sections. Armed with this knowledge, you're one step closer to being fully prepared for the exam. We hope this video has shed some light on what to expect, and we wish you the best of luck in your GRE journey. Happy studying!